morning! Happy hump day! I am in such good form today because I'm getting my nails done and it's hump day, and I'm just super happy that, you know, we're through the midweek. We're through the midweek slump. If anybody felt like Monday and Tuesday were crap, don't worry, because we're at the later part of the week now. So I'm getting my nails done today. It's 8:30. I'm a little bit more chipper than I should be at this hour of the morning, but I just feel like in really good form. And lo and behold, my battery's flashing at me. This is a great start to the morning. I washed my hair last night and went to bed with it kind of damp, and this is what we've woken up with, like some sort of nest on my head. I'm not really sure what the hell's going on. I am going to be filming today. Ta-da! Filming for a company, which is very exciting. Also, last night I was planning out beauty videos. Sorry guys, I was rudely interrupted by my camera dying, but last I was saying to you, I was planning loads of beauty videos, so I'm so excited to get stuck into filming beauty videos again. I've tied my hair up in a hun bun right now because I'm gonna head out, get my nails done, and I'll come back to you guys when all that is done, and I'll catch us up on the daily activities. So I'll chat to you guys in a little bit. I love you, so see you later. So I'm home guys. I just got my nails done and I love them. Look at that, some glitter and some like deep tones for the winter and autumn. And I also like just had an impulse purchase and I got a new iPhone because as you guys know, my iPhone 8 was robbed when I was away in China, and it was devastating at the time that it got robbed. Oh my god, I remember like how upset I was, and I was crying so much over it, especially because of the way it happened. It was just really horrible. If you want to know more about that, I can like leave a link to the video somewhere here if you want to see my iPhone getting robbed in China and my reaction. So I was using my iPhone 5, where is that here? I was using my iPhone 5 for the longest time ever, and then I just went and bought an iPhone 6 Plus today. It's not like the most amazing phone, but it is a phone. It's much better, it's a bigger screen. I actually really liked the iPhone 6 when I had it, and to be honest, if I had known that the iPhone 8 Plus wasn't, you know, as amazingly like an amazing upgrade as I thought it was going to be, I probably would have stuck with the iPhone 6s Plus. It was a great phone, so that is the phone that I got. I'm not sure of the storage of it. I actually didn't even look at the storage of it, but it has a lot more storage than the iPhone 5, which I think was only like 16 gigs or something. So teeny tiny, but it was like my oldest phone that I got, like, oh my god, when I was like 20 or whatever. I have it years. I'm gonna use that new phone, gonna set it up. I'm so much happier now that I have a bigger screen. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I really missed the big screen just for like replying to comments, replying to emails, just having a big screen in general. It was just, I was missing out on it. So that is where I'm at now. And now I'm gonna get myself organized to go and film. So that is my whole plan today. Also, I'm very excited to say, because I was trying to explain that earlier, that I pre-filmed some beauty videos, or pre-planned some beauty videos that I want to get up. I have like sleep in my eye. That I want to get up really soon for you guys. I really want you to see those videos again, beauty videos. And I said I'm doing drugstore week. I have like 2 videos pre-filmed, and I'm going to do 5 more, so we'll have 7. I'm going to do a look on Essence makeup, Miss Lynn, I think Catrice is in there, Natural Collection, Wet n Wilds. I have a few others in mind, and also I don't know if this classifies as drugstore. Obviously it doesn't because it's not in a drugstore, but Pretty Little Thing have brought out their own makeup line, and I thought that might be kind of like an interesting one for like an affordable makeup line to throw in. I know it's not technically drugstore, but I hope you guys don't mind because I thought that was kind of cool. They sent me out a little care package with all their like new makeup products in it, and I thought they looked interesting, so maybe you guys would like to see that. Anyway, I'm gonna go and film now, and I will chat to you guys hopefully when I'm done. Fingers crossed everything goes okay, and I'll talk to you later. So I'm home in my home house, and I was just like in my room there now, and I went into my auntie's house just before I got home, and I picked up a few packages. So I'm going to show you what arrived for me. The first package is a little bit interesting because it's makeup. So the first one is from Wet n Wild. Okay, so Wet n Wild sent me some amazing new products for 2018. They have like a little brochure in here just to kind of explain what's new. The brushes are not new, but like they're just always like a must-have. These are new. I haven't seen these little halo things. I feel like I just haven't been keeping up with any makeup lately, so this is probably going to be as new to me as it is to you. So there's a few of the new products. So definitely have seen some of these on US YouTubers channels, but here is some of the products they sent me. This is going to come in really handy for my drugstore series. So they sent me this palette. This is called the Comfort Zone. I used to have this actually when it was the older packaging, so it was just like these 8 shadows in it. So I'm glad to have like the new updated one, see what the formula is like. And then they sent me out the Silent Treatment. I don't think I've ever owned that there, so that looks really nice. I think the Transition shade is the new one. I think the other 3 are kind of like, they're the ones that they always had in the old palettes. Then they sent me out the cushion. This is the Brighten cushion, and then this is for redness. And there is a foundation which I'll probably end up picking up eventually. A lip liner. I don't think I have that lip liner. That one is in the shade I Got the Juice. I like the name of that. And then loads of, oh, another eyeshadow palette. This one is in, oh, I don't know, it's just called Petalette. Oh my god, I have no idea. I've never used that one before. That's really nice. Look at that purple shade. Ooh, I love it. And then loads of lip products and eye products. So some of their catsuit eye products, which I haven't tried actually yet. There's an eyeliner, some of their liquid lipsticks. These are their halo highlighters, which I'm dying to try. These are in glass bottles. They actually came separately wrapped. Some of their glitters, which I've tried before, and some loose eyeshadows, and then some lipsticks. So this one is in the shade Smooth Mauves. Definitely don't have that one. And then there's a black one here, which looks really cool, called Blackout. So that's exciting. Some new products from Wet n Wild. Definitely going to come in handy from my new video on like drugstore makeup and stuff, and I'm definitely gonna do the Wet n Wild one. Other boxes are from Zara, so I purchased this myself. I got a few items in Zara. I think I only got like 3 things, but they came in like 2 big massive boxes. First Zara box, we have a teddy jacket. I bought a teddy jacket. I got this in a size medium. I tried these on in the store, and the large is too big and the small was like, it fit me, and the extra small fit me perfectly, but I wanted this to be really oversized, so I got the medium size, and that's what that looks like. They're kind of similar to the one that I have from Penny's, but this is like so much softer. Oh my god, so much softer. So I had to pick that up. And then I got a jacket. I wore my white jacket to death last year. I don't know if you know it, but I still wear it quite a lot. So I got this one in extra small. This was £69. I don't know how much it was in euro. How much was this actually? That was $39.95. I feel like that wasn't that expensive. Like, I feel like it wasn't like in the 80s for this jacket, but maybe it was. I can't quite remember. If I can find the leaflet for it, I will show you the price of them. So they're just 2 items I got, and then I got some shoes. I've had my eye on these boots for the longest time ever. Like, I've wanted them for so long, but they've been out of stock. These are so amazing, and I had a pair of boots like these not so long ago, but we have updated. Yeah, I've had my eye on these boots for a long time. So these were £89. Wow, why is nothing in euro? I will get the exact amount. I think they were like €80 or something like that anyway. But like I said, I've had my eye on these boots for a while, and they just keep coming in and out of stock, and they never have a size 4. So I finally got my size 4. Yeah, I was like, are these a size 4? Yeah, they are, 37. So I finally got my size in them, and I'm delighted because, like I said, I've had my eye on these since the summertime, and always the size 4 has been out of stock. And I was like, I'm gonna want those in the autumn. And I had them in my cart so many times in a size 5, and I was like, they'll fit, they'll be fine. But then I was like, no, they'll just be too big, and I am just so excited for these. I just feel like I have that shoe size that everyone has. Like, everyone's a size 4 or 5, like everybody. But I'm just so happy with these, and the studs in them are just so pretty. So these are like perfect autumn winter boots. So I just put them on to see that they fit, and they're perfect. There's actually a little bit of room. My big toe is just right there, so I could wear like big thick socks with them as well. Aren't they just so pretty? Like, I'm actually shook over them. They're so pretty. Exactly what I wanted. And I feel like you could wear like these with anything, like ripped jeans like this, so you could wear them with leggings or a dress or whatever. They're kind of an all-rounder, aren't they, really? So I'm gonna have to wear these in, because I'd say they will cut me otherwise, because I think they are leather. I'm not sure if they are. Yeah, they are leather. So leather sometimes can cut me, you know, like everybody when you first get it, so you kind of have to wear them in. But I'm very excited for these. They're so pretty. I just tried on my teddy bear jacket just to make sure that it does fit me properly, and it is so nice, and the medium is definitely perfect. I'm so excited for this. There's just a better look of it, isn't it? Just so pretty. I love it so much. I actually love this. It's so nice. And like I said, just a little bit like big that you can kind of like snuggle up and wear like big jumpers underneath it. Yay. I think that's basically everything. I'm going to try on the jacket now, and then I need to actually go and get filming. And I actually got my little tripod. I'll just take it off and I'll show you it. So this is my little tripod that I got for my camera, and it arrived today as well. I'm actually delighted. I used to have a little tripod for this camera a long time ago, and then it broke, and it's so much better to have the tripod because I feel like sometimes when I'm holding the camera like this that I cover the microphone, whereas with this it's so much better. Look who I'm here with. Oh, my little Chewy bear. I miss you so much. Do you know that, little Chewy bear? Oh, I miss Chewy so much. So nice like living out of home, but I do miss him an incredible amount. Like I just miss having an animal, and obviously the apartment is just too small to have like a little doggy. And I don't want to bring a little cat in either because it's just not fair, because there's nowhere for them to go, and we live so close to a main road. I'd be afraid in case they get knocked down, and that would just absolutely kill me. Do you miss me? Because I miss you so much. You have the greatest welcomes for me whenever I come home. Yes, you do. The best welcomes I've ever received from anybody. No human can compare to puppy love. Yeah, isn't that right? I just put on the jacket now as well. This fits incredibly well. I love it. So I'm really delighted to have like a pink one, and then I have my white jacket as well. So it's just nice to have like two kind of like these kind of like puffy jackets, like really keep you warm. And I usually wear like a hoodie with it, and it's like perfect size as well. I'll show you what this jacket looks like zipped up. It looks really nice as well. Obviously it's harder to see it because I'm wearing like a pink jumper as well, but that's kind of the jacket. I love this jacket. Like I'm actually so happy with it because I have like a white one and a pink one, and it's just perfect for the winter that's going to be approaching us.
Hi guys, we're just finished at the cinema. I went with Ollie and John, and we went to see Halloween. And what's going on? To be honest, I'm not really sure I was feeling the Halloween movie. I love like the I don't know what's happening. I loved the original, and I loved the I love all those like old scary movies like Carrie and stuff like that, but I don't know if I was feeling that one. I think it was a little bit just rubbish, to be honest. Not to kind of like turn you off going to see Halloween, the new Halloween that is. If you are John, it wasn't rubbish, it just wasn't great. But if you are interested in going to see it, do. I just wasn't that blown away with it, to be honest. So I'm gonna go home now and get into my toasty jammies because I'm bloody freezing. It's actually freezing tonight, and I'm using my phone to vlog because I forgot my vlogging camera. I just brought my wallet out with me and my phone and whatever. So anyway guys, I'll talk to you when I am home.
Hi guys, so I'm home now, home from the cinema. We're just getting ready to go to bed, so I will love yous and leave yous and talk to you all tomorrow. I love you guys. Night night, bye.